Artificial intelligence is the use of computers and machines to mimic the problem solving and decision making capabilities of the human mind. According to IBM, the idea of artificial intelligence goes back at least 27,000 years, as Adrian Mayer, research scholars, folklorist and scientist, historian and Stanford University explained. Our ability to imagine artificial intelligence goes back to the ancient times, long before technological advance made self-moving devices possible. Ideas about creating artificial life and robots were explored in ancient myths. Mayer noted that the myths about the Greek god of inventions and blacksmith included precursors to artificial intelligence. For example, created the giant bronze man Tellus, which had a mysterious life force from the gods called Icar. Hapos also created Pandora and her infamous box, as well as a set of automated servants made of gold that were given the knowledge the gods. Meir concluded, not one of those myths has a god ending. Once the artificial beings are sent to earth, it's almost as if the myths say that it's great to have these artificial things up in heaven used by the gods, but once they interact with humans, we get chaos and destructions. The modern version of artificial technology largely began when Alan Turing, who contributed to breaking the Nazis' Enigma code during World War II, created the Turing test to determine if a computer is capable of thinking. The value and legitimacy of the test have long been the subject of debate. The father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, coined the term artificial intelligence when he, with Marvin Minsky and Claude Shannon, proposed a 1956 summer workshops on the topic at Dartmouth College. And Mike Carthy defined artificial intelligence as the science and engineering of man making intelligence machine. The science and engineering of making intelligent machines. He later created the computer programming language LISP, which is still used in artificial intelligence, hosted computer chess games against human Russian opponents, and developed the first computer with hand-eye capability, almost building blocks for artificial intelligence. The first artificial intelligence program designed to mimic how humans solve problems, logic theorist, was created by Alan Neville, J.C. Shaw, and Herbert Simon in 1955 to 1956. The program was designed to solve problems from Principia Mathematica written by Alfred North Whitehead and Bertrand Russell. In 1958, Frank Robinson invented the Perspector, which it has claimed was the first machine which is capable of having an original idea. Though the machine was hounded by skeptics, it was later praised as the foundation for all of this artificial intelligence. As computers became cheaper in the 1960s and 70s, artificial intelligence programs such as Joseph Weziber, ELIZA flourished, and U.S. government's agencies included the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency began to fund artificial intelligence related research, but computers were still too weak to manage the language task researchers asked of them. Another influx of finding in the 1980s and early 90s furthered the research, including the invention of expert system by Edward and Liderberg. But progress again went with a drop in government funding. In 1997, Gary Kasparov regained World Chess Champion and Grandmaster was defeated by IBM's Deep Blue artificial intelligence computer program, a huge step of artificial intelligence researchers. Recently, advances in computer storage limits and speeds have opened new avenues for artificial intelligence research and implementation, such as aiding in scientific research and forging new paths in medicines for patients' diagnosis, robotic surgery, and drugs development. Now, artificial intelligence is used for a variety of everyday implementation, including facial recognition software, online shopping, search engines, digital assistants like Siri and Alex, translation services, automated safety function on cars, and the promised self-driving cars for the future. Cybersecurity, airport body scanning security, poker playing strategy, and fighting